Software development is quite a demanding field and requires skills and expertise to get on the top. So it's quite understandable why you need experience to become a successful software developer. But if you're starting fresh and have no experience in the field, software development is a field that continues to grow at a rapid pace. Whether it's new tech tools or applications, everything uses software development at some point. This means that it's a prospective field for new learners. Fortunately, the software development industry in the United States offers so many job opportunities for both fresh and experienced software engineers that it's much easier to get a job compared to other fields in the world today. But you will still need some basic skills to get that first job. So how? In this video, I'm going to talk about some basic skills and traits that can help you become a good software developer without any job or internship experience in your hand. So let's get started. So first, that's what a degree is for, right? Well, software engineering or computer science degrees is one of the ways to gain essential tools and knowledge to become a software developer. But what if you're unfamiliar with the field and want to start fresh? For example, you could be a medical student or someone with a finance background. If you ask me, anyone can become a software developer regardless of what they studied for in their bachelor's degree. For me, becoming a software developer is more than technical knowledge learned from a bachelor's degree, especially if you don't have any experience. You'll need a set of technical and professional skills to overcome the challenges of having no academic or professional experiences to lean on. In addition to technical expertise, it requires dedication, focus, and most importantly, the will to become a software developer. Therefore, I'll talk about the technical and personality traits that will help you become a good software developer. Let's first talk about the essential personality traits. First, you need to embrace the challenge. Now, it can be difficult to motivate yourself for a new field, especially when it comes to something so technical like software development. So before you can start getting your hands on any tools, you need to be optimistic and positive about it. As a new developer, it's easy to get intimidated, and I understand why you might be shy of trying it. Be prepared to make mistakes and fail, but understand that it's where the real learning happens for software developers. Be positive and embrace the challenges of learning the tech tools to become a good software developer. So how can you actually enjoy programming and embrace the process? Remember these points. First, it's okay to make mistakes. No one can remember all the syntax of programming language. I've been developing for over 9 years and still need to Google for a reference of the language features or proper syntax. Second, learn from interactive tools. Nowadays, there are some easy and fun ways to learn the language. Use online platforms which provide numerous working examples because it's easier to learn and understand from mistakes. Third, be patient. Some topics like data structures and algorithm design are more complex and take time to master if you want to become a good software developer, especially without any experience. You must be patient and ready to take on lots of mistakes before mastering these areas. Now that you're mentally prepared, it's time to take a look at the technical skills that you should enhance to become a successful software developer. First, you need to learn some programming languages. You don't need a degree to prove that you're a good programmer. Especially nowadays where there is so much content online, you can easily learn a new programming language within virtually no time. If you have the basic knowledge of math and computing, you can start learning a new programming language from an online platform like Coursera and GitHub. For software development, focus on languages like Python, C++, JavaScript, Java, and C#. Next, work on projects. Take new projects to gain experience. It doesn't matter if you're a new or experienced developer. Projects is a good way to express your skills and learn something new, and they are very helpful at the time of recruitment. In fact, project experience can rank you above other professionals even if they have more experience than you. So go to platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket and post your projects online. Get inspiration for new projects and start working on them. Also, it's a good idea to participate in coding challenges to test your pressure handling skills. It also gives you a good understanding where you stand among other developers. But make sure to focus on quality instead of quantity. A couple of high-quality projects weigh more on your resume than tens of simpler projects. Know that no company is going to take a chance on you if you have nothing to show. Having a portfolio on GitHub is a must-do item. Next, build a network with professionals. As an aspiring software developer, you must be good at networking with industry professionals. So talk to professionals and take their advice during seminars and other events. Reach out to them through LinkedIn and other social platforms. Try to connect with developers in your area or are working at companies that you're interested in joining in the future. Referrals are huge to increase your chances of landing a job with little experience, especially if you have worked on a project with someone at the company and they can vouch for your skills. Next, be open to supporting roles. Just because there is a lot of job opportunities available in software development doesn't make it any less competitive to find a job. If you're having a hard time landing a pure software developer position, you should be open to other software development supporting roles like business analyst, testing, or QA. These jobs might not be what you want to do in the long run, but they will get your foot in the door and you'll be working in the software development lifecycle. Not only that, but starting at one of these positions could accelerate your growth in the future once you do become a software developer, because you have knowledge on other processes in the pipeline, meaning you're able to anticipate the needs of other teams. This is a huge skill to have and will set you apart from your peers. These roles don't require nearly as many skills as a pure software developer role and can be achieved quite rapidly. And once you're working there, you can continue your studies to learn software development. Be sure to check out my video on how to become a software developer in 2022 for more tips. See you in there.